The Honorable Alan Hertzberg, Judge, Court of Common Pleas of Allegheny County. Since his arrival on the Allegheny County Court of Common Pleas in 2005, Judge Alan Hertzberg has been a consistent supporter of pro bono legal services to the poor. He has been an active member of the Administrative Board of the Pittsburgh Pro Bono Partnership for many years, always contributing to discussions to help identify gaps in access to legal services, how to help those in need, and how to encourage and recognize volunteer attorneys and pro bono efforts. He has brought the court's point of view to the legal challenges faced by the poor and has taken back to his meetings with other judges a greater awareness of the challenges poor people face for equal access to the courts. One of the signature projects of the Pittsburgh Pro Bono Partnership is the Guardians Ad Litem project, which matches volunteer attorneys with children who have been identified as needing someone to protect their best interests. Judge Hertzberg was instrumental and invaluable in the creation of this pro bono project. When the rule for civil procedure regarding the appointment and scope of the representation for a guardian ad litem changed, attorneys were less interested in volunteering because their role was changed from that of legal advocate for the best interests of the child to what they saw as that of a social worker. Recognizing the positive impact the Guardians Ad Litem Pro Bono project and its volunteers had, Judge Hertzberg took a leadership role in facilitating meetings with various court representatives to better understand why the rule change occurred and why volunteer attorneys could no longer commit to acting as guardians ad litem. Without Judge Hertzberg's vital involvement and thoughtful ideas, the Guardians Ad Litem project would have shut down. Now, because of the discussions facilitated by Judge Hertzberg, attorneys are lining up to represent the best interests of children in the Allegheny County Court's Family Division. His leadership on and off the bench directly benefits children who are caught in the middle of difficult custody disputes. Judge Hertzberg also was an early advocate and supporter of the partnership's Custody Conciliation Project, which helps low-income parents resolve custody disputes by pairing volunteer attorneys with the parents during conciliations. When he transitioned from the Family Division to the Civil Division, Judge Hertzberg identified the need to offer education on landlord-tenant issues to individuals in the community and championed the creation of a clinic to assist Section 8 housing tenants with litigation matters. He worked tirelessly with court representatives, bar association leaders, and members of the Pittsburgh Pro Bono Partnership to identify space for volunteer attorneys to meet and for educational materials to be developed. The clinic launched last year. Due to his efforts, it has expanded to include representation of private housing clients with meritorious defenses in landlord-tenant disputes. Judge Hertzberg is always willing to assist pro bono and legal services programs. He is a frequent presenter at pro bono CLE events and at volunteer recruitment and appreciation events. Prior to his election to the Allegheny County Court of Common Pleas, Judge Hertzberg was an elected member of Pittsburgh City Council, where he acted as chair of the Finance and Budget Committee and also President Pro Tem. He authored various bills, including one to make chambers more accessible to disabled citizens. He has served on various boards, including the Urban Redevelopment Authority of Pittsburgh, which helps provide more affordable housing for low-income families. In recognition of his demonstrated commitment to public service and his support of volunteer attorneys, legal aid organizations, and clients, the Pennsylvania Legal Aid Network proudly presents the 2015 Excellence Award to the Honorable Alan Hertzberg.